Welcome to Chennai Press News Channel. Trusted Aerospace Engineering, TASE Global, a leading global precision manufacturing firm with established operations across India, the United States, and Europe, announces the inauguration of its new state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Sriperumbudur, in the presence of Sankararaman Vaidyanathan, Chairman of TASE Global, and Masahiko Mori, President of DMG MORI, Japan.
It has been technically and supported by DMG MORI, which is a world leader in the machine tool industry, and Dr. Mori, who is the chairman and who is sitting here, and who has been kind and was kind, and he came all the way for to inaugurate this facility, and it is a milestone in TASE history. And I would like to again, I met all of you before in the month of August. I met you with the purpose that we have acquired a company in US, and that was the first time we came in front of you people. And again we have come back to you now with the purpose that we told that point that we would be investing 150 crores money and building this facility. Now that is been completed and that is on stream. So with this message, I would like to thank you all the medias for supporting us, and you brought up the news the last time. Again, this time we have now completed what we said before you, and we want to announce that we have completed, and our next another phase of surface treatment facility will be operational in the month of April, and the new facility towards the semiconductor component manufacturing, which will be operational by the end of the year.